off your note. I would rather you cut the note off short like that than go, someone like you, and do that. So I'd rather you cut it off short like that, again, because you're going to sound better. This is about improving your singing. So it's always better to hold it. And if you feel your voice is shaking, you start to lose it, cut it there, because the last word of the phrase, they're giving away another secret here. We're not going to have many secrets left here. The last word of the phrase, guys, is the most beeping important word of the whole song. Because if you mess that up, people are going to judge you from that. I was going to give an example, but we're going to take you from there, okay? But I'm going to sing this. I'm going to mess up the last two words, okay? Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. Now, you're going to say, oh, he didn't sound that good. But the first 80% was very good.
Yeah.
The last two words were no good. Now, if I reverse it, help me if you can, I'm feeling down. He's going to say, he didn't sound too bad because I finished it off well. It was awful at the start, awful.
Recovery.
Mouth wasn't working, it was pitching, recovered, got it to the end. That's the last thing that people hear. So that's a really big important tip there as well too. To instantly improve your voice, focus on the last word and get that last word in pitch and make sure the last word's great. Guys, we'll see you singing hopefully up on stage. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below or get in contact with us on any social media and we'll be sure to get back to any of your questions. If we think the question is a ripper, we will make a video for you. Signing off. Thanks, Sam. High five.
Woo!
See you guys.
Talk soon.
Bye-bye.